friends, welcome to Vlogcember. I don't have a huge collection of brushes, but I do cherish them a lot and I do take care of them because I do love each and one of them. So I wanted to share that with you, how I wash my brushes. I like to use cinemasecrets to do that. I use the solution when I want an instant cleanse. I do that once in a while, but then I do a deeper cleanse every week, every 2 weeks, with cinemasecrets. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you how I do it. I'm gonna start with these that are down here. So I wet this a little bit. So I try not to get the water too close to the interior here. I like to leave it in the tips because you don't want water to come in through the holder here, because then the glue can come off. So after I wash it, I do this very softly, dry it up, and then I'm gonna lay them all down on a towel on a table to dry them all up. Now with the solution, the cinemasecret solution, usually the brushes are almost immediately ready to use. Not in this case. In this case you have to wait a couple of hours, maybe till the next day, to be able to use them. You don't want to be too harsh. I'm just going very softly, twirling. This one's really dirty. Notice how fast it cleanses, how good it cleanses. This is one of the prettiest brushes I own. So I'm very careful with it. So yeah, I'm exhausted. This left me really tired. It took me about an hour to wash all the brushes, and I laid them down on a towel to dry. I'm gonna leave them like that overnight, and hopefully, I think so by tomorrow morning they should be dry, so I could use them for my makeup. So yeah, I'm really tired. Let me finish up here and I'll see you guys in the bathroom. I'm getting ready to take a shower. So yeah, there you go. My face is a little bit red, but that's normal because I did apply a few things on my face. I'm liking what I put on today. I feel very, very relaxed. I feel very relaxed and very good. So I'm ready to go to bed to edit this video and have it up for tomorrow for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.